Welcome back to the Dad Bod. Today we have our June SprezzaBox. SprezzaBox is a monthly subscription box, but with a slight difference. They don't just send out one box for everybody. Instead, they have several options that you can choose from. That way, you can better work to ensure that you'll be happy with your box. Honestly, if they sent me one filled with soaps and grooming stuff, I probably wouldn't like it. Or if I was somebody who never drinks and I got a box with a flask. So it's just a way to give you a little bit more control over your box. And speaking of booze, what's the best kind of booze if you want to dance all night long? Wild turkey. I could just show you the box that I chose. I could. But I really want you all to have a better understanding of the boxes, the options, and everything that I can show you. That way, if you are interested in the SprezzaBox, you'll have a better idea of what to expect. I've signed up for several subscription boxes. Some I've been really happy with. Others I absolutely hated. And I couldn't do anything about it because a lot of times I did a 6-month prepay. I know the point of the box is it's supposed to be a surprise, and it still will be. You're only seeing, past boxes from me, not future boxes. I'm not clairvoyant. So without further ado, here are the runners-up for this month. And by runners-up, I mean the boxes that I didn't choose. I'll show you the one that I chose afterwards. You get an email telling you that it's time to select your box, and then it shows you the different options. The Esquire Slate, this one I've received before. I don't know why it's an option again. I remember seeing it once on their website that you aren't giving an option if you have already picked it. I picked this one back in, I think, November, and then it was removed from my available list, but then it showed back up about a month or two ago. This one comes with an original penguin tie, unsimply stitched socks. I love these socks, I wear them quite often. It comes with a brown Fallard pattern pocket square, a royal blue Sprezza tie clip, and then a Brickle Face Moisturizer Anti-Aging Cream Duo. Just something to note about the tie clips, nearly all of the ones that I've received from Sprezza are the same size. They're small. And I prefer the larger tie clips. It's just my preference, and just putting it out there. Sprezza, if you guys are watching this, any chance you can provide larger tie clips? I'm a bigger guy. I wear bigger ties. Bigger ties need bigger tie clips. So next is the Nomad Black. This one comes with a To-Go brand DOP kit, a 2B moisturizing skin cream, a Kiko passport holder, an I Am Man fishhook bracelet, and a weekend casual luggage tag. There's also the Nomad Brown. This one comes with most of the same things. The only difference is the fishhook bracelet is brown leather instead of black leather. The Freedom Box comes with a multicolored mini houndstooth tie by Ivy Maroon, Bird's Eye socks by Weekend Casual, aviator sunglasses by Sprezza, an all-white pocket square by Bespoke 2112. You can never have too many white pocket squares. And then 2 packs of laces by Thursday Boot Company. One of them is a brown pair and one of them is a black pair. And then we have the Dude. This box comes with a black half-frame sunglasses by the Shades Club, a dark gray face mask by Benekai, a mustache lapel pin by Lovely Lapels, a charcoal bar soap by Oars and Alps, and then a Brickle Day Serum Moisturizer. That's all of the options except for one. The one that I actually chose. And the one that I actually chose is, of course, called the Classic Dad. So let's get it open and see what's inside. Alright, the first thing that we have here is a pair of maroon, gray, and navy striped socks by Sprezza. Actually have these socks already. I got them in a different SprezzaBox. I don't remember which one, but it wasn't anything like the Classic Dad box this month. It was, it was just a different box with different stuff that just so happened to have the same pair of socks. It's good though because I wear them quite a bit, and usually when I want to wear them, they're in the hamper because I already did. So now I have 2 pairs. A navy white dotted tie by Jack Sartori. We have a watch by Eleven. I have several of them. If you've ever seen my Watch of the Month Club videos, they like to send out these Eleven watches quite often. This watch has what is referred to as an animal-free leather strap, which is probably why it does not say genuine leather. It has a black watch face with white minute, hour, and second hands and white hour markers. We have a sensitive razor by Shtick. It comes with 1 cartridge and 1 blade, but I'm probably going to just stick with my Gillette. And then we have a bunch of little vouchers for stuff. I know that there's at least one person who watched this and is still in shock about the twerking turkey, so check out this video here. It's a box that's similar to the SprezzaBox called the Gentleman's Box. I guarantee there's no twerking turkey in this one, and I'll see you there.